Are you ready to see the gadgets of the future that will change your thinking? Screenless laptops that open a virtual display up to 100 inches, quad 4K monitors that make multitasking a superhero, and drones that make you feel the whole sky. And it doesn't end here, it's just the beginning. Whether you are a creator, gamer, music lover, or a smart home geek, today we will explore 10 insane gadgets, which will make your life next level. And yes, the last gadget is such that you can't even imagine. Seeing it will blow your mind. So let's start this unlimited future tech journey. Think of a robot that will vacuum your house, bring a courier, and become a security guard at night. In CES 2025, SwitchBot has shown the K20 Plus Pro, a modular robot in which you can change your work by attaching different attachments, sometimes air purifier, sometimes security camp, sometimes cleaning master. For security, lock ultra and video doorbell, 2K clarity, fingerprint and NFC unlock. In the same ecosystem, the future-ready smart home gives a taste. And a question for you. But do you think such a robot will become a part of every house one day? Comment and tell. Do you listen to music? Have you ever tried to watch a song? Ronni's Spectrum Analyzer does the same magic. This small gadget converts your sound into color and waves, and makes a real-time visual show. If there is a bass drop, the skin will also jump. And if there is a travel peak, the light will also dance. Sensitivity and brightness can be adjusted manually, means you will decide how the party mood and vibes will be. With multiple modes and 9 RGB color, it feels like you are having a mini concert, not music. Portable stylus and plug and play, simple. Ronnis is not just a gadget, it is a magic of a music visualizer. So tell me, which song will you test first in this? Tell in the comment. Wait, a laptop without a screen? Yes, seriously, this is the Spacetalk G1 Air laptop. Computing of the future is in your hands. Think, you will just wear an airglass and instantly a 100-inch virtual screen opens in front. Just like your private movie theater vibes. Lightweight glass, dual OLED display, 90 Hz refresh rate, virtual time. Such a smooth reality upgrade will start. With Snapdragon processor and 16 GB RAM, you are completely tension-free and multitasking. Connectivity on the point with Wi-Fi 7, 5G and Bluetooth 5.3. Space OS interface is so easy that you will manage the virtual window without struggling. And yes, custom prescription lens is also available with both comfort and styles. So tell in the comment, are you ready for your screenless future? Wait, think. A drone does not just fly. In fact, it shows you the entire sky as if you are flying. Meet the Antigravity A1, the world's first 8K 360-degree drone, which will change the game of your aerial shot. With a lightweight design of only 249 grams, easy-to-use FVB goggles and motion sensor control, this drone is perfect for beginners and pros. And the craziest feature is that with advanced AI stretching technology, the drone footage will not show the drone at all, meaning full 360 cinema shot without any interruption. Just imagine capturing mountain, beach or city caps. And editing is also super easy with the Insta360 app, so let's have a real fun with it. Discover a new level of flying, Antigravity A1, flying redefined. Try to off your smartphone video looking like a roller coaster ride. Say hello to Zhiyun Smooth 5S AI. This 3-axis gimbal makes your shot perfectly stable, but its AI tracking tracks your moves like a loyal cameraman. You can start, stop, and customize without touching the phone with gesture control. Magic, right? Built-in 3W flashlight makes every frame bright. High-torque motor and advanced stabilization say goodbye to shaky shot. Lightweight, portable and 26-hour battery life is perfect for long shoot. Vlog, travel video or cinematic project, Smooth S5 AI takes every scene to the next level. Now the drama of shaky video ends and creativity starts. Ever record a video and realize that your dialogue is down in the noise? Frustrating, right? Don't worry, DJI Mic 2 is here to rescue your audio game. This tiny gadget comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver, meaning dual audio decoding and crystal clear sound, whether it's traffic or crowd. Easy attach with lightweight magnetic clip. And 32-bit recording plus intelligence noise cancellation ensures that your voice is perfectly captured. DSLR, smartphone or laptop seamlessly works with everyone. With 6-hour battery life, transmitter and charging case, your shoot will be unstoppable. So, are you ready to give next-level audio quality to your content? Say goodbye to DJI Mic 2 loud and background noise. Who says gardening can be boring? This is Fantic, a small gadget that comes with a powerful brushless motor for fast cut and long live gardening. Only 2.58 lbs weight, one-hand operating possible. And perfect for eco, rage, max speed setting branch. LED light will help in low light cutting, and will never stop working with Type-C fast charging. Seriously, this gadget can become your garden's secret weapon. Ready to train? Think, battery said in the middle of the shoot. Boss, I'm tired. Frustration level will be at 100, right? The smart solution to this problem is the Lanovolt case. This is a compact 4-in-1 gadget, which comes with a 10,400 mAh power bank, PD20W fast charging, camera battery charger, and HD 4.0 card reader set. Meaning charge one battery during the shoot, keep the other ready, and transfer the memory card directly, all lighting fast. And the biggest thing is that this case is travel-friendly and shock-proof. So, storage is also safe, so you won't cut because of the battery, only action will work. So, tell me, will you invest in such an all-in-one gadget for the next shoot? Have you ever felt that your laptop's screen is getting smaller and multitasking has become a nightmare? Relax, don't worry, meet this. This is the SL4K Smart Quad Monitor. In one device, install 4 ultra-sharp 4K screens in one cable and instantly expand your workshop. No more mess over. The stand rotates up to 270 degrees, so office or cafe, perfect view angle guaranteed. Video editing, design, or meeting, everything will be super smooth, lightweight, portable, and on the go, perfect for professionals, comfortable with Windows, macOS, and Linux. Enjoy play and play. So, are you ready to take your productivity to the next level? SL4K Quad Monitor, the real superhero of multitasking. Look, whether you want to watch a movie or show a presentation, the biggest problem is the bulky projector setup. Wear, wait, and half an hour hassle. The mood is ruined. Now there is an entry in the market for the Odyssey Jeep Trifold projector. This small gadget is literally a wallet-sized. Fold it, keep it in your pocket, and make your mini cinema anytime. It has autofocus and keystone correction, meaning, keep it, and the screen adjusts instantly. Battery lasts for 1.5 hours and supports fast charging. Wireless mirroring feature is awesome. Connect it directly to the wall without a Wi-Fi phone. I have a direct question for you. How much will this projector cost? The link is in the description. So guys, that's it for the video. If you like the video, then do like the video. Share the video with your friends, comment below which gadget you like the most, and subscribe to our channel to become a member of the Helping Gadget family.